chasing. Big doe eyes, amazing. She's everything I've been praying. My heart palpitation. She looks like the type to break it. Me and